We cannot overemphasize the fact that a large percentage of humans overthink things based on the reality of the life we face, trying to juggle emotions with your career, with your finances, with every part of our life that we have around us. A lot of targets, a lot of goals, you gravitate towards overthinking things, and before you know, because you have a whole lot of things going on at the same time, you start having distorted thoughts. My name is SEUNFUNMI, and I am here to help you fix. I'm going to call it a managing mechanism that can help you manage your thoughts daily. Please subscribe, please like this video, and please, I would like to see your comment as well. Thank you. Everything I've been wanting, manifesting from my life. The first thing I'll talk about is shift your body. The body in those thoughts from your brain to something external. What do I mean? I meant that those things you have in your head, that is, shaking your head, those things you have in your head, try to write them down. It's just like, have you ever go through something and you have it in your mind, and the moment you release it like this, you just feel this kind of peace. So that's how it works. So everything that is bothering you, take a sheet of paper, get your journal, whatsoever you want to write with, and write them down. No matter how distorted they may be, just write them down. It's going to help a great deal. If you have someone around you that you can trust, you can open up to them about it. Another thing I would point out to your decision making. So when you want to make decisions, there's this thing we were taught in economics when I was growing up. I think secondary school thereabout. They said it's called scale of preference, right? So when you start your week or your day, you should check out for the priorities, like write them down. Like I said, the first rule to help organize your thoughts is writing things down. Another section is number one, start breaking them in scale of preference. Which one is most important to me right now? Then which one is less important? In that way, you'll be able to set your priorities right and focus on the things you need to focus on. Then probably come to other things later. I used to say something that better decisions, better choices. So if you can make better decisions, you have a better options to choose from. So it starts from what you decide to do. Another thing is getting rid of distraction. So when we talk about the concept of distraction, it's beyond something negative. It's not necessarily something negative. It will come in a good light that is pleasing for you to desire, then it distracts you. So when you talk about taking up distraction, don't start looking for the things that are wrong or things that are not right or something. Look at the things you even most desire and try to analyze it well, if it is not a form of distraction for what you need at that time. There's another thing that causes distraction, especially for my gender, which is the multitasking of a thing. As much as we can say yes, you can do a lot of things at the same time, but science actually proved that there is only one thing your brain can really focus on. Check all the things you're doing at the same time. One will have more concentration than the other. You can't give maximum concentration to things when you're multitasking. That one will have superior focus than the rest, except you have to now employ people to help you focus on the rest and all that, and now oversee. So you trying to do a lot of things at the same time, which is called multitasking that we do. The brain can only focus accurately, 100% to one thing at the same time. I would advise you take a step at a time. It will really help you in your structuring and your organization. Another point I would give to you is mindfulness. You cannot overrule the place of meditation. Like looking for that quiet space. Like it works so well when you go to the beach. If you have a beach around, you just walk to the beach. Like you just stay at that beach area, that wave side, and just think. Yeah, I've done it before. There was a time I was so bored and I went to the beach area and I just stood and walked around, and it just really relieved me. So sometimes you can just do it at the comfort of your own, when you just probably lie down on your bed or sit down somewhere. There's no noise. Clear your thoughts. Like think about nothing. Just meditate on a particular thing. What you visualize really matters a lot. You need to streamline what you view. Your visuals, your eyes, this is your sight, their gateway, their access point. So you need to streamline what you view. Focus on the things that helps promote positivity, productivity, impact. And there's something that once I see viewer discretion, something. Some people say that's when I want to watch it. That's when I don't want to watch it. But something that someone wants to show me, so say, please, is this something that if it's something that is not so, please don't show me. I'll even beg you, please don't show me. I don't even want to know. Those of people, that's when they want to know the cocoa. Me, I don't want to know. Once it's not something that is good to decide, please just tell me with your mouth. Don't even let me use my eyes to see beyond it, I beg. Because once I beyond it, I'll start having imaginations. And I feel it works for people like that too. So all I'm saying is that streamline what you view. Another thing, like we all know, is reflect on things daily. Like make sure that every time you come back from work or from whatsoever you have gone out to do, try to reflect on the day. What are the things that you can pick as a lesson that you had learned from? I do it too. Like, oh, today I think I was a bit overboard. Oh, I need to calm down. Oh, I think I didn't participate, I think, as much as I should. I think I need to, pull myself out there so that people will not think you are being prideful or you are trying to keep away from people. So when you go out and you come back, reflect. If you had visited a friend, reflect. Did you speak too much? Did you say the right words? That reflection helps to build your character. It really works. It helps you to be conscious. Nobody is perfect. But it helps you to be conscious of your relationship with people. Then get a to-do list, get a planner as much as possible. Get a planner that you can journal what you are doing for the day, what you are doing, at what time you are doing them. It kind of helps to arrange your thoughts together. I think this is the most popular way of organizing your thoughts. Get a to-do list, get a planner that helps with your day. And lastly, sometimes as a believer that I am, I will just play a worship song and I'll just be quiet. I don't have to sing. I'll just play a good worship song, and I'll just sit still and just be meditating. Gratitude really helps. Oh my God. See, this last tool is my favorite, and I'm giving you this for free. Gratitude helps. I don't care whatever situation you may be, but there's something to be thankful for. There's something you have that somebody else don't have. I am here to see a human being that has everything all put together. So there's something you are graced at that you have that somebody else don't have. So taking time to just listen to a good worship song, just look for something that made you laugh before, and just remember some incidents that probably some things you would have done better at, but it's quite funny, and just laugh about it. Just reflect and just be still and know that God got you. And this is it for me today. I would love to interact with you. I don't mind. And do not forget to like this video, and I will see you next time, next week Thursday, like I usually post. Bye for now.